The purpose of this project was to have students design a fully wired model house. The house is to contain 2 floors, 2 staircases, an attic, a roof, and lights. The lighting design must include a parallel and series circuit. The students are to design, build, and light the house entirely. This project is supposed to teach students how to design, build, and wire with respect to the parameters set at the beginning of the assignment. The questions we were to answer before starting this project were a great opening into what we would be doing for the next few weeks. These questions included: explain at least 4 various types of house designs, explain what an electrical circuit is, explain what is required for continuous current flow in an electrical circuit, explain what an electrical load is and give 3 examples, explain the difference between direct and alternating current, explain the difference between current flow in a series versus parallel circuit, explain why it is important to use the correct voltage in conjunction with the load, explain OHM's law, explain how temperature affects circuit resistance, explain how conductor geometry affects circuit resistance, explain the engineering skills required for this project. We divided and answered all the questions, most of us being able to use our knowledge from physics last year. We all put our best efforts into these questions and answered it with as many details as we could.
This project was a multi-step process. It began with planning and scaling the wood. Next, we measured and cut the wood. We nailed the pieces together. Holes were cut for the stairs, doors, and windows. The stairs were created using small blocks of wood nailed together. One staircase was twisted and nailed together. A chimney was added to balance out the roof, and small details such as doors were added. Lastly, the house was painted completely.
We did encounter some difficulties with our windows. We had intended for them to be squares on the front of the house, but because we ran out of time, we had to cut them with the circular saw bit. The part we enjoyed most was the cutting. We're very comfortable with the saws at this point in the year, so it made our spiral staircase very simple.
Overall, this project was a great way to show that engineering really is not just about building things with wood and power tools. It is also an electrical and wiring career. This project brought everything we have done together this year into one. It also included some of what we learned in physics last year. We all had a lot of fun doing this project and can't believe it was one of our lasts.